Hi everyone. I've just got to show you something. Look at this. Could be abroad here. Could be in Spain or Portugal. This is Little Sea at Studland in the Purbex of South Dorset. It's very windy today. Got a very strong wind coming from the southwest. But I'm just studying this beautiful south side of Little Sea, which this is all owned by the National Trust, so you can walk all of this area, and there's no one here. No one here. We've got it all to ourselves, and this is the summer holidays. All the kids and the families will all be down on the beach in the sand dunes just across there, but they're not here. This is for bird spotters. In the reeds you can hear all the warblers, chiff-chaffs maybe, I don't know, there's all sorts here, marsh birds, egrets. But I'm just, I love this bit here with this cluster of little pine trees with these thick matchstick trunks. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I want to paint that. With the Purbeck Hills behind the ridge. Look at that. So we're now in high summer. It's nearly the end of July, yeah. And even the ferns are starting to change to, bronze and gold and coppers. There's no heather down here. The heather is on the heath where I've just come from. But it's got so much movement. So fertile, the ground here. And it's just a beautiful day. It's not too hot. We've got a lovely breeze. And this is just so worth driving from North Dorset to South Dorset to see this. I don't need to go abroad, to be quite honest. Not while this pandemic's on. You could just, head down to our beautiful Dorset coast, but no, maybe not. Maybe this will always be quiet. Let's hope this will always be quiet, because this is all for the nature. Look at that for a scene. I will paint this scene. I found it. The simplicity of that with the line, the colours, the cerulean blue sky. It's a very soft cerulean blue hue. And then you've got these beautiful sagey greens, apple greens on the ridge. With some peachy colours and the golds. This beautiful purpley sea. It's a salt marsh. That's why they call it Little Sea. The cluster of the little cute pine trees. If you go that way, there is more. Look at that. And we're going to continue walking around this area and seeing what else we can find. It's definitely more cloudy as I look across that way, which is further inland, of course. There. Beautiful South Dorset. And this is the largest lowland natural heath and nature reserve in the whole of Great Britain. So that's why this is incredibly special. And very special when I paint it.